In a distant kingdom, far beyond the reach of time, there lived a young girl named Lyra. She wasn't a princess, nor a noble, but she possessed a gift unlike any other: she could weave with starlight. Each night, when the sky was clear, Lyra would climb to the highest hill and, with her delicate hands, she'd spin the shimmering strands of stars into tapestries of light. These tapestries were said to bring peace and joy to all who saw them, for they held the beauty of the cosmos itself. One fateful evening, as Lyra was weaving a particularly brilliant piece, a soft voice called out to her from the darkness. It was the moon spirit, a gentle, glowing figure draped in silver mist. "Lyra," said the moon spirit, "the stars have whispered of your kindness and skill. There is a kingdom far away, where the people have lost hope, and their skies are clouded with sorrow. I ask you to weave a gift for them, one that can bring the stars back to their night." Lyra's heart swelled with compassion. She agreed without hesitation and began crafting her most delicate and powerful work yet, a tapestry that would shine with the love and light of every star in the sky. For 7 nights, Lyra wove tirelessly. She used the brightest stars for the edges, and the softest starlight for the heart of the tapestry. On the 7th night, she completed her masterpiece, a radiant blanket of stars that glimmered like 1,000 suns, yet held the gentle glow of moonlight. The moon spirit carried the tapestry to the faraway kingdom. As it unfurled over the darkened skies, the clouds parted, and for the first time in years, the people saw the stars again. Joy spread through the land, and hope returned to the hearts of its people. Flowers bloomed where there had once been only dust, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of renewal. In gratitude, the people named Lyra the Star Weaver, a title that would be remembered for generations. But Lyra never sought fame. She continued to weave under the stars, knowing that the greatest gift was the light she had shared with those who needed it most. And so, every night, her woven stars danced in the sky, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, a single act of kindness can bring light to the world.